Hey everybody, Crazed Hatbox Eli here. Welcome back to another video. Gonna be a really great video. A lot of really cool hats. I can look at them right now. Um, so stay tuned. If you could hit subscribe, hit like on the video, leave a comment, all that fun stuff. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so last time we did this format, we're just gonna stick with this format for this minute. Milwaukee Power Tools. Love that because I'm from Milwaukee. My city right here, yo. Shout out to Surprise, Arizona, which is funny because I don't really want people to know what city I live in, but it's one of the biggest cities. So, yeah, love this hat. Golf. Um, I mean, obviously everybody knows what that logo is, though. Nowadays, people probably think it's Peacock. Geico, pretty cool hat. Old school throwback Cavaliers Cleveland hat, very cool. Got old Jaguar hat. This is really cool. University of Miami. Ooh, yeah, very sick. So yeah, Cabela's. Got a bass fishing hat. So this is cool. To be honest, I don't know if this is the College of Cincinnati or Chick-fil-A. This could be Chick-fil-A right here. So Chick-fil-A hat. Let's just go with Chick-fil-A. Orange Crush hat. A vintage Notre Dame hat. Very cool. I've seen the logo. I can't off the top of my head say what it is. But very cool sports hat. Custom hat. First attempt, it turned out bad. Naked Barbecue. Very nice hat. Some of these hats, I swear, I don't know how they get so beat up. So I got this at Goodwill. It's a Bass Pro Shops hat. Duck Unlimited. Really cool Under Armour hat. Love that hat. This is Greenland, but oh my god, that polar bear with that majestic smile with that nice suede. Ooh, that's nice. Got a Memphis, Tennessee hat. Got a Tucson hat. Shout out to Tucson. Got a Virginia hat. Very cool. I'll be honest. I think this is cool. I have no idea what this is for. I might have wore it. I don't think I ever wore it. Pretty cool hat though. Very cool. Wannabe NASCAR Swift transportation hat. Obviously Sons of Anarchy. Very popular. I will say I like this hat. It's a 47 brand. D-backs on the back. Still has a sticker. Arizona Diamondbacks. Very cool Realtree camo. Old school logo. For those that don't know, it's a blue logo now. I thought this was cool. Just a simple hat. Arizona District 3, which is a pretty cool hat. I don't live in District 3, just so y'all know. This is cool. Yo, shout out Oklahoma. Oklahoma State. Very cool. Love their logo. Very cool. Liberty GMC. Ooh, very nice. Let's see. Four Reels Sports Fishing Chapter. Pretty cool hat. Pretty interesting hat. Really good fake leather, by the way. Michigan Roadkill Cafe. Very cool vintage hat. New York Knicks. Very cool hat. By the way, that side patch. Ooh, that's nice. This, I hope everybody knows. DC. Very cool DC New Era hat. Grease hat. Another one of those hats on a huge Nike fit. This, I mean, there's nothing on it. It just says P. Pretty cool hat. This is really a cool hat. Phoenix Sub Southwest Division. Very beautiful hat. That artwork. Ooh, and those flames. Phoenix International Speedway. Very cool. Arizona Wildcats. This is probably like a 2000s hat. Arizona Rattlers. This is Nike. Oh, Arena Football League. So this is still an arena hat. Very cool. I love this vintage throwback Arizona Coyotes hat. Just a interesting California hat. Arizona Cardinals. This is, I think, yeah, this is just one of those generic ones. Ohio State. Pretty cool hat. Red Dirt, Arizona. I love the, look at that leather strap. Ooh. And oh, by the way, take a look at this inside. It's just very cool. Love the hat. Again, we'll hit the Dale Earnhardt National Guard hat. Yeah, this is one of the cool things. Look at this. It's trucker, but not. Got a John Deere hat. One of my favorite hats, Callaway Golf. I can't lie. I've wore this a lot. Love the mesh on this hat. Most mesh backs, they're stretch. This is not. Why it's so cool. So, I love this hat. Look at the flames. Arizona Diamondbacks throwback logo. Ooh, that is sick. Iowa Hawkeyes. Very cool dad hat. And I like it. I appreciate y'all watching the video. I hope you thought those hats were cool like I did. The Rattlers hat, I mean, I don't know about y'all, but how many AFL hats have you ran across? You got 2 videos back to back with AFL hats in, and you know, a lot of cool hats. Obviously, you know, you just gotta love it. You know, it just, I don't know. Me, I love it. I think it's so cool to see the history of the hat, the artwork, the designs. Some of them should be brought back. Okay, the designs are missed. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Let's get to it. Peace.